Have you ever noticed that almost every power plant on Earth, whether it's coal, natural gas, nuclear, or even solar thermal, seems to run on the same simple idea: boil water, make steam, spin a turbine, and generate electricity? But here's the question: why steam? Couldn't we boil something else to make power? Today, let's dive into the fascinating physics of power generation and explore whether another liquid could replace water as the fuel behind our electricity.
Steam is more than just hot vapor. Water has some incredible physical properties that make it perfect for large-scale energy systems. First, it has a high heat capacity, which means it can carry a lot of energy for every degree you heat it up. Second, it has a very useful boiling point. At normal pressure, it's 100 degrees Celsius, but in a power plant, engineers can pressurize it so it boils at much higher temperatures, hundreds of degrees hotter, making turbines run more efficiently. Third, water is cheap, safe, and non-toxic compared to most alternatives. It's literally everywhere. And importantly, it's not flammable, unlike many organic liquids. But engineers are always experimenting. What if we could do better than steam? Liquid metals like sodium, potassium, or even mercury have been tested. They transfer heat extremely well, but they're either dangerously reactive or, in mercury's case, dangerously toxic. Organic Rankine cycle fluids, like special refrigerants or hydrocarbons, are used in some geothermal plants. They boil at lower temperatures than water, which is perfect for low-grade heat sources where steam wouldn't be efficient.
For low-grade heat.
And then there's a really exciting one: supercritical carbon dioxide. At very high pressure, CO2 enters a strange state that's not exactly a liquid and not exactly a gas. It's incredibly dense and efficient at spinning turbines. Some researchers think this could be the future of power generation, especially for nuclear and solar plants.
So, could we boil something other than water to generate power? Absolutely. In fact, we already do in certain niche technologies. But for now, water and steam remain the undisputed champions of power generation. It's cheap, it's safe, it's abundant, and it just works. But keep an eye on new technologies, supercritical CO2, for example, because in the future, the world's turbines might run on something even stranger than steam. If you enjoyed this dive into the science of electricity and energy, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you could design the ultimate power plant. What liquid would you use? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.